Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Ferndale Partners Spotlight Stock of the Week. A special welcome to any new members to the site. Remember that all ideas expressed here are not meant as investment advice, only do trades that make sense to you. Okay, right now it is Saturday evening, October 6th, and this idea is for the week of October 8th. Let's start by reviewing our Spotlight stock from last week. It was a CMED. The trade was triggered, but we were stopped out. If you took the trade and you honored your stop, you took a 1.6% loss. Well, we can't make money every week, but the importance is to honor your stops and keep your losses small. Okay, as long as you keep your losses small, you'll never give the market a chance to hurt you. Okay, so let's get on to our idea for next week. The stock is FCX, Freeport McMoran, and here's the trade. The trigger is 111 even. The tentative target is 118, and your initial stop is 108. The reason why I use 118 as a tentative target is because I really want you to trend trade this stock. Even though we're shooting for about 118 on the stock, if the stock wants to run to 120 or 125, I want you to be able to get it. So I want you to trend trade the stock. If you don't know what I mean by trend trade, go to the page on my website entitled The Trend Trade, and I'll describe it to you. But I think you start with the initial stop of 108 and then use a 3-point trailing stop, which means as the stock goes up, you raise your stop along with the stock. And then you stay with the trade until you're either stopped out or the market closes on Friday and we get out of the trade. Okay, guys, that's the trade for next week. It looks very nice. Now, I've got a lot of other really good ideas that I want you to check out on the 3-minute mile. So make sure you go to the top of the page here and click on the 3-minute mile. I got some other wonderful trading ideas for the week. But this segment is for the Spotlight stock, so I'll leave it here. Okay, guys, have fun. Always remember to pre-plan your trades. Always use protective stops and have fun. And we'll talk to you next week. Bye.